Now I can. Okay. I'm audible now?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Okay. So you are applying for this study visa, academic.
Yes, ma'am.
Which country?
UK.
Your voice is very low.
UK.
Hmm.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
UK. I'm applying for UK.
UK. Okay, you're
Yeah.
planning for UK. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is first time preparing for this IELTS?
Yes, ma'am. First time.
First time for this exam. Okay. So where are you from, Geeta?
I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay, okay. So now just
I
yes,
Yes, ma'am. But I have received my offer letter and all
offer letter.
at
Okay, from university.
University of Westminster,
Okay, okay, that's good. So
and I paid my
they're asking for your this IELTS, right?
yes, yes.
In every university, actually, this is now mandatory for this exam. Hmm.
And I've
Okay.
also paid my deposit. I just have to submit my IELTS results now.
So what they are demanding?
6.5
Six
overall.
point five. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Now, Geeta, just understand what is IELTS basically. Okay, it's an international English language testing system. Okay, like if you're going to the foreign land, so they are going to test your proficiency in this language.
Okay.
And there are four modules. You have to go for the four tests in this: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Okay, your speaking exam is not on the same day. It may be made prior to that, or it's on the same day but different time. Okay, but your
Ma'am,
listening. Hmm.
oh, like how many days ka gap it will be for speaking?
See, that what I'm saying. Now, there are two conditions. Either you will receive a mail, your
Uh-huh.
listening, reading, and writing exam. These three modules is on the same day. Okay,
Okay.
your LRW. But your
Okay.
speaking exam maybe prior 3 4 days. You will receive a mail accordingly, date wise.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, or it's on the same day but different time. It's like this, the speaking one. Okay. Now today I will be starting with your reading academic.
Okay.
Okay. Now whatever I am going to just type in the chat option side by side, please write down. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Please maintain one register for the next revision.
Yes.
Now just understand about the academic reading. Academic reading test is of 1 hour, and there are 40 questions to attempt. It has three sections. First section, 13 questions, and it comprises of around 800 words. Section 2 has 13 questions, again 800 words around.
Okay.
Section 3 has 14 questions,
10 questions.
1000 words, the long passage, last one. Okay, so each section has one text, one passage that you will get. It's like this. So each section has one text. Text means the passage with a number of
Okay.
questions: 13, 13, and 4. Okay, understood the structure of
Yes.
paper? Okay. Now coming to the pastimes. What type of exercises you can get in these all three sections? You can get true, false, not given. Just write them one by one, then I will take them individually. I will tell you how to
Sure.
solve them. Yes, no, not given. Then you have matching type of questions. Under matching type of questions, you have three type of exercises under matching. They can give you matching features, matching heading, and matching information. Okay, 3 exercises are under your matching type of. Then coming to the last exercise is the completion type of questions. Under completion type, we have around 7 exercises that comes under completion.
Okay.
They can give you summary completion, note completion, table, flow chart, diagram labeling, MCQs. MCQs means multiple choice question. And seventh is short answer question. Okay, so these are all under your completion type of question. This is a structure of your academic reading paper. Okay. Now see, Geeta, first thing I'm telling you, the most vital part if you want to crack good band scores in this exam, it's a technical
Okay.
English. Okay, it's a technical English. Two things play a very pivotal role. First are your strategies, the methods, how you apply in this. And second thing are your vocabulary, your vocab words. I will give you a list of PDF of vocabulary words I have made for my students. Extra material I will give you. So start learning from today onwards, daily 2020.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it is going to enhance your vocabulary and comprehension skills too.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us understand about the strategies. Now if I talk about true, false, yes, no, matching features, matching heading, and all the completion,
Hmm.
we follow one strategy. Why?
Okay.
Because in all these exercise, sequence order is there. You know what is sequence order? Chronological order. Like question one,
Yes.
para one, question two. We can find the answers in a sequence. Maybe two, three paragraphs up and down, but somehow sequence is there always.
Okay.
But there is only one exception in which sequence is not there. That is matching information. Only in matching information, sequence is not there. So in this exercise, we follow different strategy to save our time. Because hardly you have 1 hour and 40 questions. So you have to be very smart in solving them. Right?
Yes.
So in matching information, we will follow different strategy.
Okay.
Okay? Now start writing. Strategy for all the reading exercises. Start writing. Strategy for
All the reading exercises.
exercises except matching information. Make a star and write except matching information. In matching information, I will tell you another strategy, not this one. Okay.
Okay.
Tell me what have you written?
Strategy for all reading exercises. Star except matching information.
Okay. Write down. Step 1. Read the instructions and follow them well. This will be your first step always. Read the
The
instructions. Because instructions really play a very important role. Because in IELTS, either you will get 1 or straight away 0. There is no negative
okay.
marking, there is no half marking. So please adhere to the instructions very well. Don't cross the limit. If they said answer in 1 word, not more than 2 words, not more than 3 words, so please don't exceed that limit in any case.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So written, read the instructions and follow them. Next step. Written.
Step 2. Yes.
First step written. Okay. Write down second step. You will read question number 1. First, you will read question number 1. Then you will go to paragraph 1. After reading question number 1, you will go to paragraph 1.
Paragraph.
You will annotate the paragraph. I will teach you what is annotation after this. Annotate the paragraph and then mark the answer. Same next step, read question number 2. Then you will go to the next paragraph, annotate it, and then mark the answer. And this will go with the
Hmm.
rest of the questions. Okay. So I mean to say, in all the exercises, you will go from question to
One.
paragraph. Question
Yeah.
to paragraph is the right method to solve. Okay.
Question.
But don't apply this strategy to matching information.
Okay.
Because in matching information, sequence is not there. So we have to save our
Okay.
time, right? Now write down next heading. Strategy for matching information exercise. Step 1 is save.
Okay.
Read the instructions.
Hmm.
That will be saved. Okay. Next step. You will read paragraph first. Okay. You will read paragraph first,
Read the
annotate the
paragraph first.
paragraph, and then mark the answer.
First and
Written. Read paragraph 1, annotate the paragraph, and then mark the answer.
answer.
Same way, you will read para 2, annotate it, and then mark the answer. Now, in this, we are following vice versa, opposite, para 2 question.
Yeah.
Why? Because sequence is not to save our time. Understood, Geeta?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, just wrote down few things more. You know what are hyphenated words? Any idea?
I might be knowing, but I can't remember it. Can you just give me some
Okay,
examples?
I'm writing here. Hyphenated words are counted as single word in IELTS. Like I'm giving you examples. Well known,
Oh,
good hearted. You put a hyphen in between. Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
So hyphenated words are counted as one word, not two words.
Okay.
And contracted words are not tested. You know what are contracted words?
Contracted.
Contracted. No idea. Contracted words are called short forms. I
Okay,
apostrophe M,
accept.
I
Uh,
apostrophe double L, right?
ha.
Please don't use them in academic writing. No short forms in
Okay.
your writing. In speaking, you can use, but not in writing, in any case.
Okay.
Okay,
Sure.
clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us come to the annotation strategy. What do you understand by annotation? See what happens when our paper is in front of us. What we do, we start skimming and scanning, right? We start reading rapidly because we have to
Yes.
finish our paper in 1 hour, 40 questions. And what is the drawback? Sometimes we are not able to solve all the questions correctly.
Yes.
So to curb this problem, we follow this annotation strategy. Okay. So it is basically to comprehend the passage by highlighting the keywords. We are going to highlight the keywords in the
Keywords.
right.
Okay.
Now tell me, Geeta, are you aware of the terms PBT and CBT test in IELTS? No idea. They will give you option of paper based and computer delivered.
Still wait. Uh-huh.
You are going for CBT, computer delivered test.
No, ma'am. I am confused. Like, what should I go for, paper or computer?
I'm
Which
telling
is
you the
easier?
difference. Okay.
Okay.
Now see, if your handwriting is good, it's legible, then please go for PBT only. Okay. But take the risk of CBT only if your typing is good. Only in that case. Okay. Because in your exams, na, they will not give you that spell check feature as we used to get our systems, right? Here you won't be getting that spell check feature. Okay. So if your typing is good, then only take the risk of CBT test. And one thing more, in your listening test, they will give you half an hour for the CBT, 30 minutes. But for PBT, they give you 30 minutes plus 10 minutes extra to transfer the answers to the final sheet for the listening.
Mm-hmm.
Paper test is same as we used to get in our exam, na? With a
Uh-huh.
so now you tell me which one.
Paper.
Paper based
Paper.
test. Paper based test is good. Okay. Now always use HB pencil, Geeta. I always recommend my students to use HB pencil for your IELTS paper and a rubber.
Okay.
Okay. Now just understand how you will annotate the paragraph. This you will do with a pencil on a paper. Okay.
Okay.
Now just understand there are 3 steps. After this, I will take one paragraph and will share you the screen. How we will
Okay.
annotate.